This is the censor sheet for the Lost Cloud. I will quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war. The Iranian military claimed to have shot down an F-35 fighter jet. They also showed the wreckage. They say it's the wreckage of an F-35 fighter jet. The wreckage appears to be an F-15 fighter jet, but the US Central Command hasn't made an announcement yet. Shiraji Mira, here's the wreckage of a US Air Force MQ-9 Reaper drone, shot down by Iran's air defense in Shiraji. The 17th such incident in Isfahan, there was an Israeli airstrike. In Tel Aviv, Israel, a large explosion happened.
이스라엘 라마트칸이라는 도시입니다. 이란의
Iran's attack was concentrated here. As a result, buildings were damaged. This is Erbil, Iraq. A Kurdish position in Erbil, Iraq, was hit by a missile attack. This is Iraq. Iraqi militia Saraya Alia Maldam released footage of an FBOE drone directly striking a fuel tank at the US Victoria base in Baghdad, Iraq. The Huet Mina al-Ahmadi refinery was attacked by drones. As a result, fires broke out in some facilities. This is Bahrain. Smoke is rising in the sky over Bahrain due to Iran's missile attack. Weakened leadership in the Iranian Revolutionary Guard has reduced their control over allied militias in Iraq, making it harder for Iran to manage them. The Iraqi Secretariat announced the start of oil exports via tankers passing through Syria to boost the national economy. In the statement, the ministry emphasized that they are ensuring safe transportation to export markets in cooperation with the Syrian government, and that they will gradually increase export volumes to support the Iraqi economy. Penny Wong, Australia's foreign minister, said after talks with over 40 countries on reopening the Strait of Hormuz that Australia is not acting aggressively or deploying ground troops against Iran and supports de-escalation. If Bahrain's draft resolution passes at the UN Security Council, each country could use all necessary defensive measures to secure passage through the Strait of Hormuz. All necessary defensive measures include the use of military means. If there are further updates, I will point them out in the video and upload them. This concludes the video. Thank you.
야.